Hey there, guys. Hey there, guys.
Hey there, guys. As you can see, I have lost my voice. And my lovely husband has so kindly offered to dub this video for me. Today, we will be doing Gel Mousse Gel. Now, in the past, I have done Mousse Gel Mousse as an application technique. This application technique was created by the lovely Kelly over on Instagram. This is a spin-off of that technique, and we will be comparing those two techniques side by side. So, without further ado, let's go into my bathroom and wash this hair. Let's get this party started by thoroughly soaking my hair in preparation for cleansing. I will be going in today with the Trelux Gentle Cleansing Rinse. This is one of the most hydrating shampoos in my collection, and it is a collection. I will just be scrubbing into my roots with the pads of my fingers, making sure to really take my time scrubbing every inch of my scalp. Then I will squeeze the lather through my hair to cleanse the length of my hair, then rinse completely. Next, I'm using the Curl Supreme 4-in-1 Hydrating Cream as my conditioner. Normally, I don't recommend skipping conditioner, but the shampoo is so hydrating and the curl cream gives my hair all the moisture it needs. This is a very rich product. I will be finger combing that through my hair. Then I will finish distributing it with the perfect hair care brush and pull the hair off the side and back of my head. Next, I will add a tiny bit of water to my hair to reform my curl clumps. Then do a nice little squish to condish to help the cream absorb into my hair and to organize my curl clumps. Now for the first layer of gel, using the high definition gel, I will only be grabbing half the amount I normally use. I glaze it over and scrunch it in before I grab the newest Trelux launch. The Soothe and Restore Curl Defining Mousse. I love how concentrated and rich this foam is. I am just glazing that over and scrunching it in, just like the application method I used for the gel. I make sure to scrunch the sides and back of my head before going in with the second layer of gel. I grabbed another tiny amount, so the total amount of gel would be about what I normally use. Again, just glazing over my hair, making sure to apply some to the middle section and scrunching it thoroughly. And this is what my hair is looking like once all the products are applied. Nice and defined with minimal wet frizz. Now I will plop for about 10 minutes and diffuse until about 90% dry. Then air dry the rest of the way. And now my hair is 100% dry. Now it is time to fluff and scrunch. And here are the final results. So this technique has a little more definition than when I did Mousse Gel Mousse. Now, while there is more definition, there is a tiny bit less volume. Here are the 2 wash days compared side by side. I used the exact same product for both days, and I plopped and diffused my hair the same. Both are very pretty hair days. It's fun to see how 2 techniques compare side by side. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this video with my wonderful husband stepping over this footage. P.S. This was totally his idea. Comment down below what you thought of this video. I hope you found some benefit in it. There's just a slight difference between the 2 application methods. Which one do you think you like best? As always, I hope you are having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will talk to you later. Bye! For those of you that made it this far, please remind me to never do this again. Thanks for watching. Click like and subscribe to make me not feel so bad about doing this.